Welcome to this short video that will help you get ready for the virtual fair test run and for the event itself. Now that your virtual booth has been completed, it's time to start preparing for the event. You'll receive your login information on the day of the test run. After you have logged in, you will be greeted with this home screen. The home screen will display real-time statistics of how many students visited the fair, how many are currently in your booth, their average age, and from how many countries they have connected from. You'll have the option of choosing your preferred language in which the platform will be displayed. And you can also mark yourself as online, busy, or offline. This will be the case for your colleagues as well, and it will be reflected in the color of the ring around their image. The most important part of the virtual fair platform is the Chat Students feature. This is where you will receive all the questions from students entering your booth, and their profile images are going to be displayed on the top bar. Here, we have an example from Carolina, who is asking for more information about the Business and Economics program. You can keep everything in the chat, or you also have the option of calling students via the Call Student feature. At this point, the platform is going to ask you to allow the use of the microphone and the camera. So you will need to allow this in order to start the conversation with the student. After you have answered questions and offered all the information, you can go back to the chat window and type in the final details. In order to clean your screen, you can archive the chat. You also have the option to transfer the student to one of your colleagues. For example, you may want to transfer the student to Angela because they asked a question that Angela can answer better than you, as it's her area of expertise. You only need to type a short reason for transferring, finalize the transfer, and then Angela can take over. The chat team option is for internal communication between your colleagues. The FPP team will also be offering live support during the event at the help desk, should you need any. The Visitors tab will show you both the present and past visitors in your booth. The Statistics tab is going to display your booth statistics on the day of the event, and all this information will also be available for you the day following the event, together with the chat transcripts of all the conversations that took place in your booth. This only includes text conversations. Audio and video calls are not recorded. Under the Notifications tab, you are going to see all the messages that the FPP team has sent the fair's audience. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at talkto@fppedu.media. Thank you very much for joining us.